Hello guys, what's up? This is Sashwat and you are watching Hackins Flow. I hope you all are safe in this state of COVID-19. This is our first video related to programming on our channel Hackins Flow. So, in the background you can see a website which is a fully responsive website, and this website I have made during the Holi this time festival. You can see when you can observe the cursor. Wherever the cursor I am taking, the color is changing in that way. Previously it was totally black, means its background color was black. Then wherever the cursor will be going, its color will be also simultaneously changing. So, and you can also play a music in this, means it's have a music button, and when you play the music must have heard the music now. And why I am showing this to you, because if I will teach you programming, then I should also have the knowledge of programming. That's why I can teach. That's why I'm showing this website, so you can have a faith that I know the programming I am showing. And this is a fully responsive website, means you can see if I change its size also, then according to this size, means if you see this website on your mobile phone or tablets or in the PCs, its size changes accordingly. See, now I have made it very small, like in mobile screen size, and I have made it further smaller. And in this size it's not possible, because in this size no device permits. And I have made it little large. Then you can see the color also has changed because the size of the website has changed. And I have told it's a Holi means colorful website, means after means I have set the time for nearly 2 minutes. After 2 minutes the color of the website changes accordingly. So let me show you the original code of this website. Here is the code. This is the HTML code, and we are also today going to start our HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is there. No, today we will be also starting PHP, but in this website I have not used PHP because it's a client-side website, not a server-side website. And you have seen I have changed the name of the Holi to Hackins Flow. Let's refresh. No. Now here you can see there was something default, that's why I cut the video and made it. Means I have what done. The problem was that it was hosted website on the GitHub, but I have to change it in my desktop, so I have gone to index.html and changed it there. Now you can see the CSS, means in this work HTML and CSS work is very less, and the most of the work done in is JavaScript. Means this is WebGX website, the framework is WebGX, and you can see how much JavaScript is this here. Means I have also not written all the JavaScript. I have, means there are some websites which used to give us WebGL, and like Bootstrap also there is like that also in some websites from which we can collect the data. So with this, let's begin our video. Let's start. What is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language. Whatever you see today in all the websites, all are written in the language HTML. To make beautiful the HTML, we use CSS. Without CSS, HTML is just nothing other than words. The whole web page will be only words, nothing else. So HTML and CSS are both interconnected. If HTML code is written and the CSS is used to make it more beautiful, so together they will be forming a beautiful website. Now comes JavaScript. JavaScript stands for, means JS. All of listened about also JS. Like JS used for means the behavior of the web page. The behavior means all the types of work, means if we click on a button, that is JS. Everything in the web page is all JS, means all the behavioral things are JS. So HTML and CSS are both interconnected along with JS, but JS has many plus points as well as cons. So some of the cons are means like this here JavaScript means it is how much more you will be using the JavaScript, that much slow will be your website. Means less JavaScript equals to faster websites, more JavaScript equals to slow website. Means, and how much more JavaScript you will be using in Google search engine records, your web page will be coming that much down. Means your website will be that much down. Means the less JavaScript websites will be on the same description, will be on the top, whereas the more JavaScript websites will be at down. So we have learned now HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now it comes PHP. PHP is a server-side language. Means all the websites like Amazon, Facebook, they all are server-side languages. Means PHP is used at backside. At front end we use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. At the back end we use PHP, Bootstrap and jQuery. So we will be here only using learning PHP as other language, and under the JavaScript we will be learning both jQuery, Node.js and Bootstrap. So guys, now comes where to do the coding. We can use Notepad, Visual Studio Code or Atom. We can use the three, but three are used as the programming area only. But from these three we can use more and user friendly will be Visual Studio Code and Atom. I myself prefer to use Visual Studio Code. Now Notepad is present in every computer. From this picture you can see it's present in all the laptops, PCs, everywhere. And now to do the Visual Studio Code is more user friendly, as it's colorful. All the programs are become colorful. If it's there error, it shows there also. And typing one word, it can show you many content of the same programming related. So JavaScript is more Visual Studio Code is more interesting as well as very user friendly also. Now comes Atom. Atom is also same like Visual Studio Code, but it's not so user friendly. Visual Studio Code is more user friendly, but guys, you can also prefer Atom or Visual Studio Code. I will prefer you should use Visual Studio Code rather than Atom. So Notepad, we can't use Notepad in our programming language. The best way is used to Visual Studio Code or Atom. So here we come to the end of the session. Now to learn the programming or start the coding of the HTML, from next class we will be starting HTML programming. So to start it, you should have already installed in your PCs the Visual Studio Code or Atom, and Notepad is the basic writing pad present in all the PCs. So here we come to the end. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe, and always share with your friends. So knowledge should be doesn't kept to you only, it should be shared with all. So bye bye guys.